These men are in a race against time. On Mezainak Mountain in Afghanistan's Logar province, they are digging out some of the country's oldest treasures as fast as they can. They have only 2 years to recover artifacts from 4 sites around the mountain before a Chinese copper mine moves in. Khair Mohammed Kharzada is with the Afghan Institute of Archaeology.
Yeah, we are trying, but the problem is the site is very huge, and our archaeologists we have 24 archaeologists in the institute, and we need more.
The Buddhists were here around 1500 years ago, thriving. This site was a pilgrimage destination and a monastery. Even back then it was known for its copper. Mezainak means copper of Ainak. Looters have taken most of the treasures above ground. They even drilled tunnels and made off with the tops of giant statues. Erosion took its toll as well, and now the Chinese have come to recover billions of dollars worth of copper. The China Metallurgical Group established a camp here in 2009. By 2013, miners will begin tearing down the mountain. Archaeologist Abdul Qadir Tamori says 2 years is not enough time.
چرا اونایی که اهل مسلک باستان شناسی است اونا میفهمند که باستان شناسی چه رقم یک مسلک است.
An extension on the dig is not expected. The $4 billion deal is Afghanistan's largest ever and would provide needed jobs and revenue for this war-weary country. But the archaeologists say it is not worth it.
History
will judge them. There's no difference between the terrorists and the Chinese, because terrorists are destroying our artifacts with their guns and weapons, and the Chinese are destroying them by money.
Hundreds of ancient treasures have been unearthed here since digging began in earnest. They are filling the National Museum, and an untold number of artifacts remains below the earth. But so does the copper. So the race continues to save the riches of Afghanistan's past from the riches of its future. Before long, the mountain these men are working on will be gone. For the Voice of America, I'm Brian Calvert in Mezainak, Afghanistan.